Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ecobee for room-by-room temperature control step-by-step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have your Ecobee device set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Ecobee app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the Sign Up option. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Check your email for a confirmation message from Ecobee. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Ecobee app and log in with your newly created credentials. On the home screen, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Select HomeKit in Home if you're using Apple devices or integrations for other configurations. Follow the prompts to link your existing Ecobee thermostat to your new account. After linking your device, navigate to the Room Sensor section. Tap on Add Room Sensor to start the process of room-by-room temperature control. Position your room sensors in the desired rooms, ensuring they are away from direct sunlight or drafts. In the app, name each room sensor according to its location for ease of use. Adjust the temperature settings for each room sensor by selecting the appropriate room from the main screen. Choose your desired temperature range for each room to optimize comfort. If needed, set scheduling options for each room based on your daily routines. After configuring your settings, review them for accuracy. Once satisfied, tap Save to apply your room-by-room temperature control settings. Your Ecobee device is now registered for room-by-room temperature control. Feel free to monitor and adjust these settings anytime through the app. This will help you create a tailored comfort experience for every room in your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.